Good morning everyone. My name is Syaza binti Zamri. I'm from group 17 with Matric number 137681. Today I'm going to talk about human cloning. Human cloning involves many social, moral and ethical considerations. It may be useful to experiment with animals such as goat, deer, rabbit, rat and cat clones. However, the scenario of human cloning actually chills my enthusiasm. In general, cloning is the process of creating a copy of something, but in medical terms, it means a process of making an identical copy of DNA of an organism. Human cloning is like opening Pandora's box that unleash a potential flood of evils, but at the same time bringing small seed of hope. No matter how many potential of medical and scientific benefits could be possible by human cloning, it is unethical to do so, as it takes away from human individually, creates physiological harms and social harms towards the cloning humans. Humans will lose their individual identity through the production of clone copies of them. Clone humans have no differences from original humans, as the clone must eat, drink, and carry out other metabolic processes in order to survive. So, why is this an ethical problem? According to Dr. John Fleming, a bioethicist at Southern Cross Bioethics Institute, he said a person's identity were affected by human nature and interaction being. He also said a child clone do have a particular characteristics will inevitably live under the expectations of others, which can damage their sense of self. Actually, this is contrary to nature because the child is not produced via the natural process of reproduction. Another one of the most immediate ethical questions revolve around the possible risk to any offspring produced by the cloning procedure. Among these are physiological risks. There is widespread agreement that we should try to avoid deliberately and knowingly imposing birth defects, lifelong morbidity, or premature mortality on our offspring. The focus here is on the born offspring, when substantial human embryo research indicate that cloning is likely to be no less safe than IVF today. Furthermore, such risks must be measured not just at birth, but across the child's whole lifetime. Also, there are some arguments among ethicists whether human cloning can bring harms to the society directly or indirectly. Without settling this debate, it is clear that damaging changes in cultural patterns or institutions caused by cloning should be taken into account, because ultimately such changes could erode the quality of life for many individuals. So, based on American ethicist Lisa Souli-Cahill's opinion, cloning has violated the natural order of human procreation. In addition, it will just bring more harms or negative impact to institution, family, and marriage. Having discussed some of the main ethical and scientific issues, there are still some unreasonable and illogical criticisms about cloning that have been raised due to the lack of understanding and knowledge about this issue. Thus, human cloning is unethical because it takes away from human individually, brings physiological harm and social problems towards the cloning humans. That is all for now. Thank you.